How to turn on eye comfort shield blue light filter in Samsung M32. First of all, open the settings app from your home screen or app drawer, scroll down and tap on display. In the display settings, you'll find an option labeled eye comfort shield, tap on it. Now you will see a switch at the top to enable or disable this feature. Turn it on by tapping the switch. Once activated, the screen will automatically adjust to warmer tones, which helps minimize blue light and reduces eye strain, especially in low light environments. Next, you will notice two modes under the eye comfort shield setting: adaptive and custom. The adaptive mode adjusts the screen color based on the time of day and ambient lighting. If you want to set a fixed schedule or tone, choose the custom option. Tap on custom and then select the schedule that suits you best. You can either set it from sunset to sunrise or choose specific times manually. You can also manually adjust the color temperature by dragging the slider to your preferred level of warmth. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on eye comfort shield blue light filter in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.